Welcome to today's focus, circulation. The idea is to promote blood circulation throughout our whole body, from literally our feet all the way to our fingertips, in the form of gentle cardio. We're gonna start off from a seated position. Then for round two, we're gonna do the same moves, but from a standing position. If you can, always go at your level and do what you can. All right, are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, starting from a seated position, we're gonna keep it nice and simple, and we're going for a brisk walk. So I always want you to follow your pace. This is gonna be my pace. This is, I guess, my speed for brisk walking, but whatever a brisk walk is for you. Now, when we're doing seated cardio, it's really important to keep your spine straight, keep those abdominal muscles nice and tight, but it's really important that we breathe at the same time. Focus on that breathing. So what I like to do is I like inhaling through my nose and releasing through my mouth. I like doing that for cardio and strength training. A lot of people like to inhale through their nose and exhale through their nose, but that's a little bit more advanced. And when I do that, it's usually when I'm, let's say, meditating or relaxing. So for cardio, in through my nose, out through my mouth. Okay, up next, we got some arm circles and walks.